Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to 2018. This is our first unboxing of the year. We're doing an unboxing for the virtual reality smartphone headset. It's by ONN. It's pink. So girls, young teens, ladies, they do have a VR headset for you all. So no further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing. I have my assistant Dee Dee here. Alright, so go ahead. Let's see what's on the inside of the box. Okay, the usuals, you got your manuals. And this is the headset. We'll show them the headset. Okay. Alright, so you unbox it, you open it up from right here on the front. It's right on the top. You just prop it open, and we're going to go ahead and demonstrate with our handy dandy device, iPod Touch. Okay, and the apps you can download from the Apple App Store, Google Play, and Samsung as well. Right now we're going to go ahead and test out the app you can find on Apple App Store, VR Roller Coaster. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up for you. So it's going to look like this. Okay. Alrighty. Coaster number 1. Alright. So here we have it.
Is it ready?
It's ready. Alright, she's going to demonstrate what it looks like. First impressions.
Wow.
So Dee Dee, what do you think about the VR headset?
Awesome.
It's awesome.
This is amazing. Can I explain how it looks?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's like one big old loop-de-loop and all different kind of trick roller coaster, but it looks like it's in the middle of a city with this big balloon thing with other balloons around it.
You mean probably air balloons?
Yes. And then these like glasses that are like every time we go down they'll move, and the one in the front doesn't move at all. Oh my gosh, I'm about to do a big loop-de-loop.
So what do you think about the VR headset?
It's comfortable, like the padding is comfortable, the straps are comfortable and everything.
Alright guys, there you have it. This is our unboxing of first impressions. Thank you Dee Dee for being my assistant and trying on the VR headset.
You're very welcome.
Alright guys, we'll see you on the next episode.